Visible, sir?
You are visible, sir. Okay. So, Vaibhav sir, shall we start? Vaibhav is sitting in Chadda 100% sure. Chalo, start. Unmute yourself first.
Am I
Ha.
clear? Am I audible?
You are audible now.
Yes, sir. Shall I start?
Sure, sir.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Vaibhav, and I am very happy to share my thoughts about my best friend. So, my
Mm-hmm.
best friend is Aman, and he's from Delhi, and he has done his study from Indore, and I meet him in my school, and he's like he likes having food, and he's fond of playing badminton and cricket, and his parents also loves me a lot, and he always helps me whenever I'm in trouble, and he's looking for a job, and he's from a well of family, and he calls me every day. We talk hours, and he's like my brother. Thank you so much.